Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I had just put up my Christmas lights like I do every year, and I never had a problem in the past, but this year, after it rained, it kept popping the circuit breaker. So in our house we have a circuit breaker here, and just so you know, on these you got to reset them, you got to push them all the way over and then back if it's the GFI. I climbed all around on the outlets on the roof wondering where the GFI was. It was there on the breaker. Now, GFCI means ground fault circuit interrupter, and so basically what that means is if it senses that the amount of current going out is not the same as what's coming back, then it will trip it and turn it off. And so you probably have one of these in your bathroom. We have Christmas lights wired in, so we just flip the switch and they come on, and so they're on their own circuit. But if this is happening to you, it might be just other lights that are going out. So what's ever on the same circuit might go out with yours as well. Well, I found the problem. As you can see here, inside the rain gutter, one of the lights was sitting down there. So when it rained, you can see the blue residue that's left over from this shorting out. There's even a bug on this one. They were enjoying the nice warm light. But anyway, you can see what had happened here. So the light just got submerged. Though they're waterproof, they're not water resistant completely. So I just popped it up and popped one of these old ones out, and you can see they go out from that point on, and they still work ahead. And you can see the blue residue on this too, kind of the corrosion that builds up like you see on your battery terminals on your car. And so everything looked okay, but I have extra bulbs, so I'm going to go ahead and put one in. But you can see down in there too, there's still a little bit of blue corrosion towards the bottom, but I think we'll be okay. So I went ahead and got our new bulb here and put it in and flipped its little safety lever down. And now I'm just making sure that these string downward. These are the icicle style lights, so they tend to go in a downward fashion, but I just had to loop it through to make sure that it's not sitting down inside the rain gutter. And I don't really have rain gutters for a lot of this, but you can see it did it again here. And so I just had to go through wherever these were attached to the rain gutter and fold them over and just make sure that they're not in the water. Now there's a lot of sharp edges on the roof, so you also want to inspect your strand here, something else to think about, and look for any exposed wire if this is still happening. As you wrap these up tight at the end of the year, that could be causing them to bend and break. So hopefully this video is helpful. I know people also wrap the ends in plastic bags to keep the moisture out, and that might be an issue too if it's just getting wet with a lot of rain or snow. Thanks for watching.